Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Currently sitting in a schlong on Ethereum, but in this video I'm going to show you what the Bitcoin count is looking like. We have busted below this trend line in yesterday's video. I told you I did not trust this trend line. There was a chance it could bounce, but I do not trust it, and I'm playing further downside. I was sitting in this ETH short yesterday and said I was going to hold on to this sucker because she's looking like it's going to dump through the trend line on Bitcoin. My boy Sniper Mark said, I don't trust that trend line either. Let's see. Oh, we did see. And she dumped right through. I'm going to show you where the Bitcoin price is heading, what it's looking like, it wants to do here from an Elliott wave perspective as we trade this. If you're new to the channel, I use Elliott wave to forecast where these price movements are heading. I trade only Bitcoin and Ethereum. I do leverage trade them over on Blowfin. If you want to learn how I trade, guys, there's a free Discord community pin in the first comment down below. Join up, and then in the Learn channel I have my free Elliott wave trading course with an overview of how I trade as well, but you will learn Elliott wave theory from this course I put together. It's for free in the Learn channel. Join the free Discord pin in the first comment down below. Watch the course. Let's get into this. Now, Bitcoin took a little tumble, and over in the premium Discord and the live stream this morning, we just kind of went over some possibilities. I'm going to show you what's looking good to me, guys. I'm going to show you what's looking good to me. You know, for starters, this does not look finished. I'm going to zoom out slightly. And for this to be any kind of correction with another hit to the highs, what I personally want to see, what I need to see, what I would like to see, is a retrace of this low here to this local high at 100K. I want to see at least the 382 get tapped. And the overall structure while we're sitting here on the larger time frames, before we dive deep into this, and stick with me because I'm going to show you, where the next trade opportunities are lying. The next opportunity, for swing positions, I'm seeing this wave kind of finishing up somewhere in here. I would love to see that, a correction up, and let's come back down to at least the 382. That's kind of my first inhibition right there. Just an ABC correction. Then we have potential to go up to the high, maybe just sweep the high and then come down, correct on a larger scale, or absolutely hit to the high. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it. But I want to see a shape like this. I would love to see an absolute dump fest down in here, even lower. I would love to see it. Would love if this wants to come low right now and just impulse down, give us a retrace, and then come down even lower. Would love to see it. Again, I'm not planning for this, but I'm kind of ready if it happens, and I wouldn't be shocked at all if it happens. So that's just kind of where I'm at. This doesn't look finished. I want to see 5 waves finished. This wave is looking more and more like just a wave 3. As we zoom in here on BTC, we're going to look at Ethereum as well. I have a 1, 2. This looks like a wave 3 coming down. Do we get 4 into a 5? Would love to see it. And that's the finished impulse. Give me a retrace. Give me another push down. All right, I am, like I said, I am long on Ethereum right now. Looking over at Blowfin, short of the top, I'm only in a 26 ETH short right now. Took plenty of profits off the table on this short already and flipped into a long at the bottom. I did alert everyone. I'll show you where I'm holding this long on ETH up to in a second. I did alert everyone over scalp alerts that I was schlong on ETH, gave them the trade setup that I am currently in. And as always, I'm alerting everyone of my positions over in the premium Discord. Here was the ETH scalp, the short that I am still in. TP1 was hit, TP2 was hit, TP3 at 33.18 was hit last night. That's why I'm in such a small position on it. Also notified them last night I was opening up this BTC scalp short. This hit last night while I was sleeping, and we lost on this little BTC scalp short. Stop loss was tight, $300 away. Lost on this one, but then flipped into a schlong on ETH. So life's good. We're sitting pretty. And I feel another season of heating up here over in the premium Discord. So if you want to get it while it's hot, come on over to the premium Discord. I have daily live streams Monday through Friday, just running through the charts, putting trades in, chopping it up with everyone. My 24/7 live Elliott wave charts are here. My indicators are included constantly in the chat. And of course, my trades I do post and show you guys to kind of give you an example of how I do this. Use code heating up for $20 off your first month. This code expires December 1st. Just click the WAP link, links directly with your Discord. $20 off your first month. Heating up. Click upgrade here within the free Discord, and you will be good to go. Get it while it's hot. We'll see you over in premium. Now, let's zoom in to BTC. For Ethereum, real quick, while we're just looking at this schlong trade, I am looking at this more so as a flat correction, A, B, C on the smaller time frames, in which we almost made it to the 1-to-1. Really would love to see this push up to like the 1618, somewhere in here, 3380. Again, I'm not holding this forever. I'm not holding this all the way up to the top. This is more of just a short little quick play. Boom, 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 up here, and then continuation to the downside. Boom, 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 boom. Maybe some type of WXY situation in here. All right. And while we are on Ethereum, guys, I'm sorry if this video is a little chaotic, but pay attention. This is important stuff. We're going to flip back over to Bitcoin in a second. While I'm on Ethereum, guys, on the 4-hour time frame, looking at this entire structure here, I mean, from the low, way back here at 2100, had this large consolidation period, hits of the highs, which we are currently at. I mean, there is bearish divergence all over this chart, guys. It's nasty. It's gross. I do not like the way it looks. It just doesn't look very I just really am hesitant on longing this thing right now on Ethereum. It looks bearish. I mean, with all this bearish divergence, again, this can snap out and break through all this, no problem. But as of right now, it's there and it is activated. We have crept below these lows, so it's there. Wouldn't hate to see some type of a flat, maybe one more hit to the highs here. Wouldn't hate to see it, but I think everything's due for kind of a correction like that before any type of continuation to the upside. I think that would give this bearish divergence some type of resolution for Ethereum at least, and then Bitcoin and alts as well. They're all looking a little bit toppy on a local time frame, right? Top back over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is continuing its dump. ETH is holding quite nicely, to be honest. Yeah, I like this on BTC being a 1 into a 2 into a 3. Where is this 3 going to finish? Who knows? Let's wave out for 4 into 5. I like that a lot on BTC. Kind of want to see some sideways consolidation on BTC here. Would love to see that. And come and find some type of support here, but just for not forever. We'll retrace here, find some type of support here, look kind of bullish, and then dump. That's what the wave structure is looking like to me. People are going to think 100K is going to get taken out right here. I'll be shorting this. Coming all the way down, baby. All the way down. People are going to say the 100K top is in. 100K is in. Topped out. Oh my goodness. We're dumping and then just absolutely shred to the upside. Shred to the upside. Would love to see it. On the longer term time frames, guys, there's plenty of different counts in play. This is obviously the most bullish, where this absolutely yokes up to, I'm talking wicked high, 200, 250, 275, like very, very high. But there's other counts in play, which I can show you these other counts. We'll hit this other count. I'll give you an example right now real quick. But before we do that, guys, if you do want to trade on Blowfin, they are no KYC. It's what everyone is using to trade. They're available in the United States and Canada. This is the best initial deposit bonus they have running right now, up to 10K in initial deposits, 450 just for a $1,000 deposit, and it's ladder. The more, you can get all of these, really. There's trading volume requirements, so pause the screen, check it out if you want to give them a try. That is the best promo. Pinned in the first comment down below, you will get access to that promo for the Chart Junkies community, and sign up with your email. You're ready to rock. So check them out. If you're looking to get into leverage trading, Blowfin is the place to be. Now, let's look at this just quick little long-term count on BTC. Someone in the regular Discord actually, let's see, where is he at? Brought this count to my attention. He was looking at this specific count, and I told him, if it's gonna do something like that where we have a WXYXZ, I like this, much better. Nothing wrong with his count per se, but I like this better, where we have some type of ending diagonal. This is the C19 dump, if you know what I'm talking about, the virus, and looks like a zigzag shape up, flat correction down, WXYXZ, which we're completing the Z. Watch out for it, and look for some type of corrections, really some sideways nonsense right here, just dipping back down to these lows, this consolidation period that we're in for 7 months, dipping back up, maybe have some type of a head and shoulders look here, but then really it's just a correction into another correction, and that's your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ending diagonal. Then you can expect a correction on a larger time frame, break this trend line, and then we can actually start ripping, right? This would get you up to like on 170, 180K easy if it breaks through this trend line. If we tap the trend line here, if this is all proportionate, whatever the word is for it, 130K. But I mean, it's a count that's possible, guys. So it's not like it's just straight up from here. This is, we could be in for some serious sideways action here. It's on the table. All right. Let's go smaller time frame before I let you guys go and see if there's any trades we could put in immediately. BTC's dumping. I wouldn't put in any trades right this second. You're kind of catching a falling knife, Wait till you get some type of consolidation. If this is going to be your finished wave 3 right here, I would expect some sideways wave 4 into a wave 5. Like, this is all going to be very tradable action. I'm sitting long on Ethereum, 100 ETH long. Looking to take this up in here. We'll see if it gives it to me, and might add back into my short, or might short BTC. So to stay in the loop, you really got to be in the premium Discord, guys. Check it out, but subscribe to this channel for your daily Bitcoin and Ethereum updates. I'm not stopping, day after day, putting in this work for you guys. So trade safe. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. I love each and every one of you. Peace.